Welcome back here to a new video from Punta Cana. All you can see, I'm again in Cabeza de Toro. Not that it's my favorite, but I had some people asking me about the new Dreams, the old Natura Park, which they are renovating, and it's still under construction, so I cannot go inside, but I decided since I'm close, I go and check out what I can see from the beach there. So we're walking here at the Belive resort, Belive Punta Cana, and we will be in a couple of minutes at the beach of Dreams, Palm Beach. Seaweed is not bad, I have to say, but the water is not Caribbean at all. And I remember that on one of the last videos, someone asked me, oh, why didn't you mention the smell? You always have a breeze at the beach, and I've been up somewhere where there is a strong breeze. It was very windy that day, and I can tell you today here I stepped out of the car and I could smell it. Not as bad as it could be, but you can smell it. And the water is not full of seaweed, but it's brown and not what you expect when you come to the Caribbean. Let's walk it a little. We are walking here still, I think, let me quick see. No, that's not the Belive, that's already the Dreams Palm Beach here. No, gracias. Yeah, no seaweed, but brown water. And usually inside the swimming area here you could see some blue or shortly behind it. This time I have to say it's a lot of brown water. So this is Dreams Palm Beach again. I actually don't know why the water is brown here, as even outside the barrier I can see seaweed, so this, I don't know. The Dreams Flora, the ex-Natura Park, is the last beach on this side of Cabeza de Toro. There is nothing coming behind Natura Park. Well, there is a lot of beach, and then you come to the Barcelo. But that's, I would say, good an hour walk, if not more. No, quería saber si ya está lindo. ¿Está hecho mucho? La piscina muy hermosa. Ah, qué bueno. watching here Punta Cana, all you can see. Actually, there wasn't much to see. There is still a lot going on. They just have the buildings all empty, as you can see. They have covered it with a fence. They want to work private, and I can understand. I'm sure they're going to do the best that you feel at home when you come here in the Caribbean. And if you book the Dreams Flores, they will be everything new. As the one thing I could see is that the rooms are empty. So they took everything out and they will put in everything new. And you will have a new hotel when you come here to visit. Hopefully when they open in November, seagrass will be gone, as this is really not nice anymore. This is nice. And it's not only the seagrass, it's in the brown water. And it's at least 50 meters, 70, until you come to the Caribbean blue. So yeah, hoping that this is gonna go away. Better the sooner. And I see you here in the next video. If you like this video, I'm happy if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out the playlist. Maybe there's already something that you need to know. I'm packing now and then I leave. Bye bye.